This is a demonstration cut using the Forest Manufacturing Model 2054R vertical blade traveling table roll saw. I'll keep this relatively brief. We have other videos describing the Model 2054R and its features and doing demonstration cuts. The material I'm working with right now is this, I'm not sure the material was a polyester or fiberglass, probably a polyester. It's like a non-woven air filter type material. Relatively light and fluffy, not the lightest, it's got some density to it. But this material should cut very easily using a scallop edge knife style bandsaw blade. The advantage of those blades is they create almost no dust and a perfectly smooth straight cut, cutting relatively light and fluffy material such as this. And I did a video showing exactly that, this material in this machine using a scallop edge knife style blade. It turns out this material does have a cardboard core in it. The knife style blades don't cut through rigid cardboard very well. It did go through it, basically it kind of burned its way through it, and it didn't leave a straight cut. The blade deflected as I basically shoved it through this cardboard core. So a scallop edge knife style blade is not going to work on this material when it's wound on a cardboard core. So I have to use a hook tooth style blade. This is more of what you expect from a bandsaw or any saw. The blade is 1 inch wide, 3 teeth per inch. It has hook shaped teeth, such as you might use to cut wood or metal or plastic. It will cut through this filter material, but it's going to make a little bit of a messy cut. It's not going to be a perfectly smooth, crisp edge, but it will get through that cardboard core easily and straight. So I'll go ahead and set up a cut here. I've already got the fence set to take off about 3-4 inches, take a little more there. Roll the workpiece into the fence. I don't have really a flat face to work with there. The last cut I made in this face right here was using that scallop edge knife style blade, and it deflected, gave me kind of a wonky cut. I use a magnet here just to discourage it from moving around too much. I don't need the gloves for this. I didn't bring my safety glasses out. I'll start the saw blade. We're running the blade about 60 psi on the pressure regulator, with this machine having pneumatic blade tension. Gives me 17,000 psi of blade tension. I'm running the blade speed. It's a fixed speed machine running at 3,000 feet per minute. Like I said, this is a 1 inch wide, 3 tooth per inch hook tooth style blade. Let's see what we get. Oh, ugly. Ugly. There's the cardboard core. Yeah, that's a really ugly, snaggy cut there. So for all that noise, the cut edge actually isn't the worst I've seen. Let me unspool a little of this for you here so you can see what we actually did get. Here's the edge that was cut with a scallop, and here's the edge that was cut with the hook tooth blade. And the hook tooth blade edge is definitely uglier. Yeah, so you can see here what's going on. Got a clean edge and an ugly edge. With this material wound on a hard cardboard core, large saw like this may not be the answer. The only other thing I can do, I can try using a blade with much finer teeth. I might try something like a 10 tooth per inch or 14 tooth wrench blade to cut through this, and that may not make such a snaggy mess out of the material. But this is not the preferred approach. We're going to try something else. If you have any questions, please feel free to call or email us at Forest Manufacturing. I thank you for your time.